Hello students, this is me Pawan Jain. Today in this lecture, I will continue quadratic equation for class 10th Cbse. Okay. So next topic is, first of all, we should know what is discriminant. Discriminant. What is discriminant? Quadratic equation standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now, what is discriminant? Discriminant denoted by d. So this is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4a into c from this standard equation. So, for example, suppose equation is 5x square minus 16x plus 4. Okay. So, what is discriminant? So, we have compare from this standard equation. So, we get a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 16 and c is equal to 4. Okay, comparing with the standard equation, so a is equal to x coefficient of x square, a is equal to 5 and coefficient of x minus 16 which is b, and c is equal to constant 4. So discriminant is d is equal to minus 16 whole square minus 4 into 5 into 4. So this is 16 square 256 minus 5 20, 24 is 80. So we get 6, 7 and 1. Okay. So this is discriminant. Okay. Now we will discuss nature of the roots. Nature of roots. Nature of roots की बात करें तो कब रूट्स रियल होंगे, कब रियल नहीं होंगे, कब रूट्स इक्वल होंगे और कब रूट्स रैशनल होंगे, इसका मतलब हम ये बात करेंगे इसके नेचर के बारे में. ओके. तो फर्स्ट केस, इफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट d is greater than 0 then roots are real. Then roots are real and unequal. If this condition is satisfied, discriminant is greater than 0, then we can say roots are real and unequal. Okay. If roots are equal, then we can find these roots by one of method, which is factorization method, or by formula, quadratic formula method, or by completing square method. Okay. Second case is, if d is equal to 0, then roots are again real. Roots are again real but equal. In this case, रूट्स आर इक्वल. ओके, दोनों जो रूट्स आएंगे वो कैसे होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. थर्ड केस, इफ d इज लेस देन 0, यानी अगर d की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आती है तो वो रूट्स रियल नहीं होंगे. देन रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी. रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी and we cannot find real roots in this case. In this case, we cannot find real roots. And fourth one is, if d is perfect square, if discriminant is perfect square, then roots are rational. Roots are rational. अगर d परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है तो रूट्स कैसे होंगे? रैशनल होंगे. ओके, आई विल टेक example for clearing this concept. Okay. Now, relationally, I am taking one example. Find the nature of roots. This question, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. So equation is, question number first, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. We have to find nature of the roots. So here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4 on comparing by standard equation. Okay, so find discriminant to calculate nature of the roots. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. This implies that minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4. So we got from here minus 4 root 3 whole square, 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3, 63 is 48 minus 4 3 are 12, 12 4 is 48, this is equal to 0. So we got g is equal to 0. Discriminant at 0, the roots are real and equal. So roots are real and equal. Okay, we can find these roots by factorization method or by quadratic formula or by computing the square method. Okay, so this is the case of equal roots. We can find nature of roots by from any questions. Okay, now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's see formation of relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. Okay, suppose this is the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So relation between roots, let two roots be alpha and beta. Let two roots be alpha and beta. Then sum of roots alpha plus beta. Relation between roots and coefficient. This is equal to coefficient of x minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. This is the first relation between roots and its coefficients. These are the coefficient. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant. Okay. Similarly, product of roots is alpha beta is equal to c upon a, constant upon coefficient of x square. This is the second relationship between this. Okay, so these are the relationship between quadratic equation, roots and coefficients. Now formation of quadratic equation. When roots are given. So quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product is equal to 0. If roots are given, you can find equation. Okay, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Okay, so these are some relationships. Now I am taking some questions based on this. Taking question based on this concept. So if the roots of the quadratic equations are 1 upon 2 and 3, find the quadratic equation. Two roots are given, that alpha, one root is 1 upon 2 and beta other root is 3. Okay, so we have to find quadratic equation, formation of quadratic equation. Okay, so first of all, sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to add these two roots 1 upon 2 plus 3. So this is 3 to 6 7 7 upon 2, and product of roots alpha into beta, roots are given, so 1 upon 2 into 3, so 3 upon 2. Equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product is equal to 0. So putting the values, x square minus sum of the roots 7 upon 2 into x plus product is 3 upon 2 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. You can take LCM too. So this is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's go to 0. So final equation is this. Okay, this is the quadratic equation, formation of quadratic equation. Okay, now I am taking one more question. Yes, this question number first is find the non-zero value of k for which the quadratic equation kx square plus 1 minus 2 k minus 1 into x plus x square is equal to 0. Find the non-zero value of k for which the quadratic equation this has equal roots. Hence find the roots of the equation. So this equation has equal roots and we have to find the value of k. So we know that for equal roots discriminant is equal to 0. So for equal roots b square minus 4ac discriminant is equal to 0. From here a is k, coefficient of x square, b is minus 2k minus 1 whole square, this is b, minus 4 into a is k, first of all we have to make the standard form of this equation, okay, because this is not in the standard form. Okay, let us, I will take it here. So standard equation kx square plus x square minus 2k minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Take x square common, so x k plus 1 into x square minus 2k minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the standard form. Okay, so a is coefficient of x square k plus 1, b is coefficient of x minus 2k minus 1, and c is 1. So put in this discriminant for equal roots b square minus 4ac, b square means minus 2k minus 1 whole square minus 4, a is k plus 1 and c is 1 is equal to 0. Okay, from here, is it clear? First of all we make standard form. This is the standard form. From this taking common x square. Now for equal roots we know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b square is from here b minus 2 k minus 1, a is k plus 1 and c is 1 equal to 0. Okay, now solve it. Minus remove हो जाएगा square से ये 4 into k square plus 1 minus 2k minus 4k and minus 4, this is equal to 0. Take 4 common for simplification. K square plus 1 minus 2k minus k and minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so 4 goes to 0. So k square minus 3k is equal to 0. 1 से 1 cancel. Okay, so this implies that k is common. K minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies that k is equal to either 0 or k is equal to 3. So 0 is cancelled out. 3 is answer because they want non-zero value of k. So 0 has cancelled. So k is equal to 3. Now we hence find the roots of the equation. Now put the value of k in this equation, external equation. So from first, k means 3, 3 plus 1, 4x square, minus k is 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 to the 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, factorize. So 4 1 4, we need 4. So 4x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies that 2x is common. So 2x minus 1 is common. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So we get 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. यानी कि x is equal to 1 upon 2, and also from x is equal to 1 upon 2. So roots are 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Roots are 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Here we get equal roots. Okay. So these are equal roots. Okay. So ये थे कुछ questions and कुछ concept था. Now in the next lecture I will take questions, important questions which are frequently asked in the board. Okay. Thank you.